Best deals.
1. Tadka Pan. The beechwood handle is heat insulated and non-slip, providing a comfortable and secure grip while cooking. The medical stone material ensures rapid and even heat conduction, making cooking faster and more efficient. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Cutting board. Made from premium ebony wood and durable stainless steel, this cutting board offers dual surfaces to keep raw and cooked foods separate, minimizing the risk of cross-contamination and promoting safer food preparation. Equipped with an anti-overflow edge. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Idli cooker. Stackable pots and nesting lids save precious kitchen space. Streamline your cooking experience, urge for high durability, easy to wash and clean, rust-proof and hygiene. The sleek design adds elegance to your kitchen while saving valuable counter space. A perfect balance of form and function. Steam, boil, saute, and simmer with ease. Enjoy one-pot wonders that impress. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Storage rack. Is designed with multiple shelves offering ample room to store a wide range of kitchen items. The tiered design allows for organized storage of everything from spices to vegetables. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Duster. The ClickIt series offers a single, extendable pole with easily interchangeable heads, replacing the need for a separate duster, scrubber, and brush. Declutter your home and streamline your cleaning routine with this all-in-one solution. Enjoy a sustainable cleaning solution that's gentle on your home and the planet. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Chopper. Chop, mince, whisk, peel and make baby food quickly with single press operation, so you can spend less time in the kitchen and more time with your family. The garlic peeler attachment removes up to 80% of the skin in one go, saving time and keeping your hands odor-free. The egg whisker makes preparing fluffy omelets, lassi, whipped cream, and smooth batters effortless, cutting down on manual effort and ensuring perfect consistency every time. Get the perfect texture for your ingredients with simple press and release control. Monitor and control chopping, press for a few seconds for coarse cuts, repeat for a medium texture, or continue for a fine mince or puree. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Tamagoyaki egg pan. Can be used to make Japanese egg rolls, omelets, pancakes, bread toasts, French fries. Heavy gauge aluminum construction for quick and even heat distribution, 100% safe, food grade non-stick interiors with a beautiful, scratch-resistant porcelain exterior. Unique, slope-shaped design for easy flipping and serving. Always stay cool phenolic handle for easy handling. Suitable cooktops like halogen, gas, electric. Unique, slope-shaped design for easy flipping and serving. The pan features the right shape and dimension to create authentic tamagoyaki eggs. Its heavy gauge aluminum body propels even heating and high heat retention. Its heavy gauge aluminum body propels even heating and high heat retention that helps you prepare delicious Japanese rolled omelets in the beautiful yellow shade using minimal oil. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Salad spinner. Simply insert the required disc into the lathe to switch between slicing, spiralizing, grating, or spinning, making kitchen prep fast and efficient. Includes finger guard for secure cutting and spiralizing. Non-slip base ensures stability, protecting hands and surfaces during use. Ideal for slicing vegetables, grating cheese, spiralizing zucchini. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Pancake mold. Designed with premium rust-resistant stainless steel and a durable non-stick coating, these egg rings ensure seamless food release every time. Say goodbye to sticky messes and enjoy hassle-free cooking and cleaning. Perfect for frying eggs, making pancakes, or shaping your favorite dishes into restaurant-quality creations. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Dish drying rack. Extends to almost twice its size to hold more items when needed. Integrated plug can be set to trap water for draining later. Non-scratch draining prongs which can be easily removed for cleaning. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Grill. Made of high-quality cast iron for excellent heat retention and distribution. Elegant black color complements any kitchen decor. Multifunctional cast iron bake pot suitable for roasting, baking sweet potatoes, and more. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Classic mug set. Perfect for enjoying a cozy cup of tea, sipping on a freshly brewed coffee, or even serving small desserts. Can handle your hot and cold beverages with ease, thanks to the reliable borosilicate glass construction. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Hooks. Made from premium stainless steel, these adhesive hooks can hold up to 10 kilograms, making them perfect for hanging coats. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Oil container. A perfect multipurpose storage container. Can be used for oil, ghee, lightweight, durable, have easy open lids, easy to clean. Crafted from durable, food-grade stainless steel, built to last for years of use. The tight-fit lid and stainless steel body protect oil from light and oxygen. Maintains oil freshness. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Ironing board. For a start, it folds neatly in half and comes with its own hanging hook that can be mounted onto a wall or door. It also features a special compartment for storing your iron, which saves valuable space elsewhere and keeps everything you need. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Egg whisk. Made from sturdy stainless steel, hollow handle, constructed for durability, reliability, and sleek professional style, food-safe standard. Mixing sauces, beating eggs, whisking egg whites, whipping cream, blending ingredients and creating milk froth. Light in weight and the stainless steel ends allow easy hanging on any hook in your kitchen. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Ice cube tray. Makes 56 square ice cubes in a convenient 2-layer design for efficient freezer storage and easy access. Features a flexible silicone construction that allows for effortless ice cube removal without struggling or banging. Includes a secure fitting lid to prevent spills during filling and protect ice from freezer odors. Constructed from durable, BPA-free materials ensuring safe and reliable ice production. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Steam cleaner. Mop heats up rapidly, typically within 15 to 30 seconds, allowing for immediate use. Generates hot steam to effectively remove stubborn stains and sticky messes, drying quickly without leaving watermarks or dirty footprints. Cleans across all floors such as sealed hardwood, linoleum, ceramic, granite, and more. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Knife cleaner. Ideal for compact storage and easy access, are perfect for prepping vegetables, fruits, or meats efficiently. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Metal rack. Organize cups, spatulas, spoons, and ladles efficiently with our wall-mounted rack. Durable metal construction ensures long-lasting use in compact kitchens. Features 2 spacious boxes to neatly store spoons, knives, and cutlery, keeping your kitchen tools easily accessible and organized. Made from premium metal for a sturdy and reliable organizer. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Tawa. Non-stick surface ensures low oil cooking, making it healthier and easy to clean, perfect for daily kitchen use. The flat, wide surface of this roti tawa makes it ideal for chapati, pancakes, and more, ensuring even cooking. Features an ergonomic handle that stays cool to hold. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Jumbo bag. Made with premium pay material with wide and thick carrying handles surround the luggage bag, giving the moving bags much more strength to hold heavier loading. The top side of the storage bag can be fully opened and it is much easier to organize, load and unload clothes, books, or anything that you want to put in. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Chopper. Has 6 blades to meet your needs for cutting vegetables in various shapes. Slicer is made of rust-proof and durable stainless steel which can maintain the sharpness of the blade and realize clear and smooth cutting and grinding. The food dicer has a built-in drain basket you can put the washed vegetables into it. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Sandwich maker. The 180 degrees opening allows for grilling, toasting, and reheating with ease, while the jumbo-sized grilling plate can make up to 4 jumbo bread-size sandwiches at once. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Tap extender. Boasts a 360-degree flexible design for easy maneuverability and comfortable usage, and this kitchen sink tap faucet save 50% water with same use. This tap extender for kitchen crafted from high-quality materials, our kitchen faucets for sink ensures long-lasting durability and versatile usage across different sink styles. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Wiper. Crafted with high-quality silicone blade and stainless steel handle, this flow wiper for bathroom glides smoothly on tiles, marble, glass, and wooden floors, ensuring a spotless, streak-free clean without scratching surfaces. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Pan. Has a round bottom for greater convenience during stir-frying. The handles are carefully designed to provide greater comfort. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Lint roller. The sticky roller ball can easily remove lint, dust, pet hair and snack crumbs from clothes, furniture, sofas, car seat, sheets and carpets. Because of its special material and strong stickiness, lint remover ball can easily remove hair and snacks without damaging any clothes. Made of advanced TPE material with strong macromolecular adhesion, this lint remover can easily remove lint, dust, pet hair and snack crumbs. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Storage box. Keep your clothes neatly organized with storage bags for clothes, wardrobe organizers, and cloth storage bags. Designed for a perfect fit, these organizers provide ample space to store and protect your essentials while maximizing wardrobe efficiency. Organizers perfect for storing clothes, essentials, and more. These organizers include almirahs for clothes, baskets with lids, cloth organizers for wardrobes, and storage bags for clothes. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Copper water jug. Capacity of the pitcher is 1450 milliliters and lightweight, which make it easy to carry. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Shelf. Made up of high-grade aluminum frame. A sleek edge around the shelf is designed specifically to prevent any falls from the shelf. This bathroom storage rack has high load-bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg, designed specifically to prevent any falls from the shelf. Strong adhesiveness protects against water and provides extra strength and durability. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Dining table cover. Perfect for everyday use, party, holidays, catering, cafes, special occasions, dinners, indoor and outdoor use, weddings and more. Also can play the important role that protects a table from scratches and stains. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Measuring cups. Crafted with food grade stainless steel with rose gold polished finish process, ensuring rust resistance and long last durability. Wooden handle has been polished, smooth surface, comfy to hold. The interface adopts gold wood inlay technology, which is stable and strong, not easy to fall off. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Multi-cook kettle. Simplify your meal prep and save precious time with the ability to boil, cook, and steam using just one appliance, perfect for busy moms like you. The electric kettle cum cooker heats up rapidly, allowing you to prepare delicious meals quickly and giving you more time to focus on other important tasks. The steaming function locks in nutrients in vegetables and other foods, ensuring you can provide your loved ones the healthiest and most nutritious meals possible. The stainless steel inner and removable trays make cleaning up a breeze, giving you more time to relax and enjoy quality moments with your family after a delicious meal. No need to buy additional accessories for various cooking tasks, as the included steamer for momos and vegetables and boiler trays for idli and eggs make this a convenient and cost-effective solution for busy moms like you. Boil water or eggs, brew tea and coffee, cook noodles and pasta, steam dumplings or prepare soup, porridge, oatmeal etc. with different temperature modes for all your needs, comes with egg tray for boiling and steamer to cook for vegetable and oil-free cooking. Sleek design saves space and complements any kitchen decor. Features automatic shut-off, anti-dry, and overheat protection. Has wider mouth for easy filling, pouring and cleaning. Boils water, prepares tea, coffee, noodles, steams vegetables quickly. This innovative kettle is more than just a kettle. With a range of cooking modes. Boil water or milk for baby food or senior citizen, prepare tea, coffee, soups, stews and any liquid food with ease, all in one compact appliance. Save time and energy with the ability to prepare larger quantities in a single batch. Cleaning up has never been easier. Superior version of non-stick coating, the smooth surface prevents food from sticking to the kettle, making it a breeze to clean. Spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring your culinary creations. Experience faster boiling and cooking times for your meals. It's a stylish addition that complements any kitchen decor. It's strong and durable, offers longevity and durability without any hassle. It's stylish, suits any kitchen settings and looks so beautiful. Product link is given in the 34th link.